Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this Citroen C4 Picasso, Grand Picasso that is. So from any screen, navigation is there, and then you've got menu down at the bottom and search. So let's have a look. We'll look at menu. Enter address, my destinations, point of interest, search. So enter address. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, P. R. Now we need to go to numbers. So there you go, just down at the bottom there. 5, 4. Does it default back to numbers? No, it doesn't. So we have to click numbers there. J. S. Papa Romeo 5, 4 Juliet Sierra. Then click OK, which is in the bottom left-hand corner. Number 222. OK. Navigation is electronic assistance. The navigation is an electronic assistance system. You've got to agree for it not to be distracted. There you go. So it's telling me to do a U-turn. That's basically because I'm sat on the forecourt. But it's an easy enough system to use. Let's see. Is there anything else on there? So you can look for car parks, traffic hotspots. Nothing really. Menu, guidance criteria, route waypoint settings. Click on settings. There you go, north orientation. We don't want that, we want the way you're going. Vehicle orientation. That's it, that's set properly now. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. I haven't read the book, I never do. I just try and do it intuitively, and if I can't do that, then I think it's too complicated and shouldn't be in the car. But from what I can gather, the first time I've been in the car today, from what I can gather from any screen, if you click the telephone, don't tell you a whole lot. There's nothing connected at the moment, so it's just saying Bluetooth search, so you should be able to pair your phone straight away. But if you click options, you've got Bluetooth connection and quick message. That, if you click Bluetooth connection, it shows you the phones that are paired already. At the top there's a dustbin. There's nothing on. I would expect it to be on the actual car, on the actual phone itself, but you have to click the dustbin at the top. Then it changes the symbol over here and allows you to delete that mobile. Delete the selected Bluetooth device. Yes, that's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. The first thing we have to do is click Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth's on, and then you're watching out at the bottom here. Normally, yeah, it's come up straight away. It's already searching for phones anyway, so you don't really have to do anything. But if put your mind at rest, if you click the telephone button, you'll see Bluetooth search there. So we click on BT Citroen, Bluetooth pairing request, Barry's iPhone 11 wants to connect to the system, accept, yes, and then pair on the phone. To complete the pairing with Barry's iPhone 11, confirm code 490655. Well, that's what we had before, so I'll click yes, allow contacts and favourites to sync. So you bring it down, that's connected, and you'll notice there also you've got a tick in the telephone and a tick in the streaming as well. So we'll click OK there, and that's it, the phone's connected. Another great thing with this system, as you could see there with the tick in the streaming, if you have any problems, go back to that screen, make sure it's done. If I click on the triangle with the 3 circles there, you'll see BT Citroen. So my phone, anything that plays on this phone will play through this system. It's turned down at the moment. I'm going to turn this up.
Closing the laptop down.
No, I'm not going to turn it up because it's on the radio. So we'll click the music symbol here. Then we need to go to sources, and then you see there you've got radio and Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. Now then, if I turn that up, it's not playing anything at the moment because it's turned down on my phone. I can't play it too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But that's it. That's how you play music through the Bluetooth system. It's a really good system. Thanks for watching.